Hey guys, so today's video is on this look. You guys requested that I do a reddish lip. So yeah, I always give polls on my Instagram story of what you want to see next. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and I'll put my @name right here. It's just Makeup by Micaylah. Before you get too excited to get into this video, subscribe. Helps me out a lot. And if you want more videos like this one where I'm doing like something bolder with my lips, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, or if you just like my makeup tutorials, give this video a thumbs up, you know, helps me out a lot as well. We're just gonna hop right into this tutorial because, you know, gotta show you guys how I get this look. So let's just get right into it. So first I'm gonna be taking this Becca Ombre Nudes Eye Palette and taking the shade number 2 and just popping that in the crease for a transition shade. And then I'm just going to be popping shade number 5 just right below that transition shade. And then we're going into the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia and going into Red Ochre. And then to deepen it up, we're going to go into Cypress Umber and put that on the outer part of the crease. And then we're taking a little bit of Love Letter and putting it in the upper part of the crease. And then we're going to jump into the Sleek Makeup When the Sun Goes Down eyeshadow palette and just take that gold shimmery shade. And with a wet eyeshadow brush, just popping that into the inner lid and making a really soft cut crease. Then we're going to go back into the Modern Renaissance palette and take Real Gar and blend the edge of that gold into the crease colors. And then we're just going to do a small wing with Kat Von D Tattoo Liner and Trooper. And I just brought the wing like to the center of my lid because my eyes are very sensitive at the moment because of my allergies. So yeah, we're not going to do lashes and I can't bring the wing into my inner corner. And then we're just going to pop on some mascara, and I'm using the They're Real mascara from Benefit. I'm going to do my base off camera because it's kind of repetitive because I always do the same base. So I'll be right back with perfect skin. Okay, so I finished my base and I'm just going to go in with number 4 from the Becca Ombre palette. And then we're going back into the Sleek palette and using this champagne gold shade and popping that on my inner corner and brow bone. And then for lips, we're going into this metallic lip glide from Buxom and it's called Ruby Luster. And we're just gonna pop this on my lips. One swipe, oh my gosh. This is like so pretty. So you guys, this is the finished look. You know, I'm liking it, I'm liking it. The lips are my favorite, you guys. Like, you guys, like, I'm obsessed with this look. You wanted like a reddish lip, so I gave it to you. And this is what I came up with. Keep voting on my Instagram story. Keep suggesting looks that I never do because this came out bomb and it's all because you guys suggested it. So make sure you subscribe before you leave. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video and leave a comment down below of what you want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video.